Okay. So from an infrastructure standpoint, Shuja, every cloud provider is designed by default to mitigate single point of failure. So how multi-cloud strategy is going to add an additional layer, or it's going to help the organizations with that?
I think that is one of another myth that all these strategies having multiple AZs, multiple regions, and maybe spreading your deployment across multiple regions can handle single point of failure. Yes, it in route to handling single point of failure, but it not completely mitigates that. For that, there is always a suggestion to go for a multi-cloud approach. Obviously, it will be a total different ecosystem out there to handle all your workloads, and having maybe a DR side on another cloud platform, it will always increase your reliability and availability of your infrastructure. Other than that, it will also give you some cost benefits as well, because when you operate around multiple vendors, there will always be better offering and better packages available out there for you as a customer when you are providing them a scale of infrastructure as well. So, not I would say it's just a myth, but yeah, it not completely mitigates it, but it is in route to mitigation of single point of failures. There is another myth around multi-cloud that it is very cost efficient. I would say it is not until unless you made it cost efficient, because one of the hidden charges are always kick in when you go for multi-cloud approaches, especially for egress and ingress workloads. And sometimes your workload spread over multiple services give you some other hidden costing incursion as well. So the way around that is to make sure that all your communication are being transmitted through VPNs that are being connected, maybe direct connection that are being connected between different clouds, and the only route that is being utilized between inter-cloud communication is only that we have configured. So this way you will always handle hidden charges that occurs around the ingress and egress of your network communication.
Another very common myth, of course, it arises from this perception that multi-cloud is too complex to manage. But the reality is that given the infrastructure as a code facilities such as IAC, such as Terraform and CloudFormation and CMP tools that are out there to be used in such an environment, it becomes very easy to deploy and complete lifecycle of your application over multi-cloud environment. It is almost as easy as deploying it in a single environment.